Hello, I'm Chef Michael McDermott, and welcome to Chef Michael's Food Hacks. Hello, I'm Chef Michael, and this is Chef Michael's Food Hacks. Today we're making Spanish frittata with onions, peppers, and potatoes. Absolutely yummy. Now, I have some onions and peppers that I already made the other day for the fajitas, and we're repurposing them for the frittata, okay? Got onions and garlic, two kinds of peppers, cumin, coriander, and just a pinch of hot pepper flakes. Because once again, Spanish cooking is not hot, okay? You want to be true to form. But a frittata is pretty much just about anything you have on hand. Also, a big part of the frittata is olive oil. As you can see, I'm adding more olive oil. Now, what I did was, I've got 6 eggs here and a half a cup, a half and half. You can also use almond milk. I'm pouring this over, all right, out of the blender. I blended the eggs and the cream and a little salt and pepper, okay? Now you can see it's already starting to puff up. What I'm going to do is I want to let that set on the bottom, okay? And right now, while I'm letting that set, I'm going to place these pieces of potato all around. This is actually a very famous omelet in Spain. It's potato and onion, but I've got potatoes, onions, and peppers. So like I said, you can modify it any way you see. Now look at how pretty that is. Now what I did was I put it under the broiler for a little bit, and then I dropped it down a couple of layers and closed the oven for about 2 minutes. What that did was pretty much finish cooking the omelet, okay? Some have you do the frittata just in an oven. I like it this way because it browns it a little bit. Gives a little more caramelization to the potatoes. Now what we're going to do is, you can see I got a plate ready here. I'm going to just loosen this up because I want it to come off. And then I'm going to flip it over on the plate. And then we're going to serve it. Okay? You can serve it right out of the pan, but you certainly don't want to put cuts into your pan, okay? Now this is a pretty heavy omelet, so sometimes it sticks. So as you can see, before I'm going to take it out, I want to make sure it's going to come out. All right, so it's going to come out now. I can feel it. So I'm going to put the plate. You want to get a plate that's usually about the size of the thing, of the pan. Then you're going to flip it over, okay, just like that. And you got to be careful. Make sure you're using some double pads and or a double thing. Look how nice that came out. Okay, pretty. And I'll show you how we're going to slice it and serve it. So I topped it with a little creme fraiche. We made that the other day. And there's some oven dried tomatoes. Or you can just serve it plain. And once again, like I said, you can cut this, cool it off, and you can serve it as a cold appetizer as well. You can cut this half and a half again, serve it on a tray as a little appetizer. It's absolutely delicious. Spanish frittata. I'm Chef Michael McDermott. This has been Chef Michael's Food Hacks. Stay tuned for the next Chef Michael's Food Hacks. And remember, when you eat well, you live well. Visit our partner on Facebook, Borderlands Market and Produce on Wheels Without Waste.